So guys, today we're going to be looking at the Angry Birds Transformers. So first we're going to be transforming Grimlock. And we are going to be transforming him like that, but you have to put his head forward to make it stay. Same with Starscream, and also, they're all the same. Just with Soundwave, you have to put the arms up to do it. And come on. Same as Lockdown. And then how you transform them in the back is pull their heads back. Same. Okay, so now we know how to transform them. Now we're going to be scanning them into the game. So let me just get the app on. Sorry it's taking so long. So you just press on the telepods here. So now we are going to be looking at it. You put the telepod on. And sorry if you can't see it. And then you get one of your characters. And first we're going to be doing Grimlock. So all you have to do, you see there's a little bump and there's a little hole. So the bump goes in the hole. And then you put it on. It's easier to do it in vehicle mode because then you can have problems with it standing up. So let's scan them in now. And you have to put the lens right here on the camera. And look, you got it scanned in. And there he is. Grimlock. And then if you want to scan more, just press that. And then we are going to be scanning Starscream. It's the same as the other ones, just we're going to be doing it for fun. And now we're going to be doing Optimus Prime. Oh, and they also come in one big box. And they were, I think, $50. And they are not just regular guys. They are Energizer. So they are going to be all scanned in now. So now they are all scanned in. Now we're going to be fighting with one of them. Let's see who we should fight with. I don't care which guy I'm fighting with. We'll fight with Megatron. Come on. Yeah. So basically how you play is that they come out and upgrade them, and you have to like shoot the golden blocks and the pigs to get some coins. And the golden blocks get you lots of coins. TNTs blow things up. Ooh, and once you press this, that comes. But it only does it with certain things. And now I'm going to call my other friend Megatron. Now he's going to help shoot, but I don't have to control him shooting. So all I have to do is rate, and I will just shoot that. Sorry about that. And you can do that.